Hey YouTube, hey YouTube, hey YouTube, Kimber Zellick here. Hey YouTube, Hey YouTube, Kimber Zellick here. This is part 3 of modifying. Hey YouTube, it's Kimber Zellick. This is part 3 of modifying my modifications on the Chinese mini lathe. Okay, so not sure where we left off, but here's what we ended up with. Now, this lacks a little practicality, I think. I think I need a smaller clock, and I'll be able to get in a lot closer to the chuck. But one thing that is nice, though, is we can swing that baby right out of the way. Bring her back up. Swing it away. Bring it. Okay, I took my clock off my indicator stand. This is the one I use to set my work in the 4-gel chuck. So it is redundant. It shows me where my backlash is, because I do have the poor man DRO, and it came with a screw. Does not require oiling. So that's it for the modifications of my modifications. I got some 1 blocks there, and this is kind of one position, roll it over, there's the other side, turn it over, there's the bottom, turn it over again, there's the other side. Nice little match set of 4. And we haven't done a what is it in a long time. So as we go past the metal supermarket, what is it? Trying to get you that number. Well, it appears to be M9358-4. And I found this little rascal under my lathe. After my crash. It's like I severed a little roll pin. At a glance, I cannot see where it came from. I looked things over when I had the apron off. Okay, please like and subscribe. Tell a buddy, bring a friend. I love you all.